I made breakfast way earlier than I normally do, but I am starving this morning. So, scrambled eggs, toast, and I'm having a glass of white cranberry juice.
I know just what you like. Oh, I guess Santa was listening. He got your wish list. He must have checked it twice. Mistletoe and champagne all poured.
Good morning.
Christmas morning. Everything
I was asleep in my curly hair and it's not very tame.
looking for it. I know
Either way, welcome to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're doing another Monday vlog. We're gonna see what we get into. You saw I had breakfast. I've stripped the bed. I think actually the dryer's off, so we may go make the bed back up. I want to go to Starbucks and get another holiday coffee, go through the car wash, and then I need to vacuum out my car. There is a ton of leaves on the floor on the driver's side. I think with the rain and the leaves being down, I've just kind of tracked it into the car. You okay, Riles? Had to eat slower. Anyway, yeah, so I want to vacuum the car out, maybe wipe a few surfaces depending on how bad it is. And then I did get a new car trunk organizer I want to get set up in the back, just to put my shopping bags and stuff in. And I don't know what else we're gonna do. I know we're gonna make dinner later tonight. I'll show you that. Yeah, so I'll just show you what we do as we go through the day. But since the dryer's off, I'm gonna go check and see if stuff's dry, and then maybe go ahead and get the bed put back together so the bedroom's clean.
your favorite gift. You can find me under the tree. I'll be waiting on Christmas Eve. Baby, unwrap me, unwrap me, unwrap me. You know where I'll be, right under the tree. Right under the tree. You know where I'll be, right under the tree. Right under the tree. You know where I'll be, right under the tree.
This hair is just absolutely crazy today. Do I have a bobby pin in here? I do. Let's try and bobby pin this down. I don't know how well that's gonna work. Anyway, okay, we're gonna head up and get Starbucks first. I think I'm gonna try the iced gingerbread chai before it gets any colder. I really wish I would have gotten it yesterday while it was hot, but and then we're gonna run through the car wash and then come back. So very quick trip.
Good morning, thank you for choosing Starbucks. We're gonna get you started with today.
Can I get the gingerbread latte chai? Sorry, it's a mouthful.
With the gingerbread oat milk chai tea latte?
Yeah, but can I get it with 2% milk?
Of course. And do you want that hot or iced today?
Iced.
Iced, absolutely. And then what size did you say you wanted that? Grande?
Yeah, that's fine.
Of course. What else can I get for you?
Just a puppuccino.
Cappuccino. Anything else?
That'll be all.
Can I get a name for your order?
Blair.
Thank you, Blair. That's gonna be $6.69 at the window, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hates the car wash, but I didn't want to leave him at home because I left him a lot yesterday. So the car is clean, not super clean, but better than it was. And for vacuuming, I'm going to get out the shop vac because it's leaves. It's not just dirt. And I think that's going to get it better. I don't think the surfaces are too bad, so I'm not going to worry about cleaning that. I just want to vacuum the floors, driver and passenger side. The back seat's fine, I think. I'm going to check it. So, if you can see, the driver's side is like the worst. I don't think, oh, there's a few. So I'll vacuum that side too. And then, I mean, nobody ever really rides in the back. I might just hit it real quick, especially this spot. But I think for the most part, it should be a very quick vacuum job, but I'm gonna use the shop vac. I think at this point I might go ahead and think about lunch, and I might go watch a movie to start. And then after lunch we're gonna do just a couple things. You know what? I almost forgot. I meant to vacuum out back here, but we're not gonna bother. But I did get this new organizer I wanted to set up to put the shopping bags in so I can actually have my Christmas one back, because I need that for gifts to go to my friends. So let's get this set up. Alright, so that's better. I got almost all the shopping bags in here, and I just put the freezer ones back here so it was easier to grab. And then I still have this compartment if I wanted to add something in there for storing. This is done, and now we can go do lunch. So I'm having garlic and herb pastaroni in my cute little nutcracker bowl. And I think we're gonna finish this YouTube video before I start a movie. We are gonna tackle this. Somehow it's gotten a little out of hand, and this needs to be reorganized.
Alone, it's Christmas, but I won't wait.
I would say this is a lot better. We got like KitchenAid and hand mixer, juicer, zester, cake, whatever frosting thing, cookie scoop. My new meat thermometer I bought for Thanksgiving, the garlic press, peeler, can opener, ice cream scoops, and then the rest of this is more kind of baking stuff, but that's better. I can find, this was the chaos, so at least that's organized. Now that that's done, I am going to have my afternoon cold coffee. And I brewed the caramel brulee coffee this week to use some of that up. So it's a fun flavored coffee. Now we're gonna go enjoy a movie finally.
Next year to try and feel the distance we've had with decorations in my bag. He's taking it slow on working time. It's only so long for Christmas lights. It can't be a song you sing. Sometimes I need you to sing it for your whole life. So let me be your family this Christmas. Let this be the season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas.
2 movies down. It's almost 5 o'clock, so I'm gonna go ahead and make dinner. We're having like homemade pizza, kind of. Some of it's pre-made, but I'm gonna get that assembled so I can get it into the oven.
To you myself this year, I promise I'm yours. This year you've left me wondering just how you're feeling, and I want you to know my doubts about his real life. Me walking barefoot in the San Diego snow. I wanna make you, I wanna make you, I wanna make you feel something familiar. I celebrate you. God did his thing with you. Don't be a stranger, be my date. Without you, this ain't a holiday. So let me be your family this Christmas. Be your family.
this is where I'm gonna leave you because I'm just gonna eat dinner, watch my movie, and then take out the trash. And that's it because I gotta work tomorrow. So it's gonna be a very chill evening. But I hope you enjoyed coming along with me today. And as always, I hope everybody has a blessed day.
Let this